Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about a gadget that is actually a revolution in tech work. Apple as always tries to build revolution, and most of the time Apple succeeded. So let's jump into the video. This is the Apple Vision Pro. This is the beginning of Apple's spatial computing journey. Their first headset, or VR, wearable face computer, whatever you want to call it. And this is the unboxing. So everything that I show you guys in this box, it's gonna be a representation of what you would get should you decide to spend the $3,500 that it takes to get one of these. Or in this case actually $3,900 because this is the 1TB Vision Pro. So big box. But the headset is relatively small. This is a really soft box. And this here is a third little box. So this is an incredibly flimsy box, but I'll just take this one out. So the three things we have now are the Vision Pro headset in this box, the Vision Pro Zeiss lenses. So these are optical inserts. So if you have a prescription, then these come in the box and they will magnetically attach to the headsets. So if you wear glasses, you can still use the headset. This is like the size of, it's bigger than a Mac box. This might be bigger than the Mac Studio box, but there you go. And it's got all the pull tabs. I do expect pretty good packaging here. This is such a high-pressure first-gen product for Apple. So I'm expecting pretty good packaging for this introduction to a first-gen thing. The headset comes with a little cover on it, and it's dressed up with one of the bands. Now coming to the battery. This Apple Vision Pro has a slim battery, and as Apple claims, this battery remains 2.5 to 3 hours. It is actually 3,166 milliamp battery. I know a lot of phones that have 5,000 milliamp batteries that feel much lighter than this. I hope it charges fast. 30 watts. So not super fast. So when you buy an Apple Vision Pro, everyone actually has to go through a sort of a face scanning process. So you actually use the iPhone with the Face ID sensors to measure the depth and scan around your eyes and your face, and you end up with a custom-fitted light seal. I've been looking forward to with Vision Pro is airplanes, so I'm gonna need a pretty big backpack to have extra room for all of this. But I do think I'm gonna be trying that. The battery doesn't appear to have a removable cable. I'm sure some Apple store has some tool to remove the cable whenever they need to replace it. But what it does have is a USB-C port on the side. So if I ever want to just plug the headset straight into the wall. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is the Zeiss lenses. If you happen to wear glasses or have a prescription, you will be able to use this headset as well with that prescription with a $100 pair of Zeiss lenses. I think it's $100 for readers and $150 for prescription lenses. But either way, they're really quite small and they're magnetic. The display is quite clear. It's like you are wearing a mobile phone. Everything is on your fingertips and without holding any accessory in your hand. You can move your menus wherever you want and you can stick them on any wall in your room. You can open and stick multiple applications and stick them all over your room. You can use any application conveniently. So guys, what do you think about Apple Vision Pro? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ding the bell icon so you can get every latest video from the tech world. So guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.